guys, welcome back to my channel. It is 2020. Happy New Year. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I do a natural hair care routine for my daughter. This is specifically for little girls, but if you're an adult watching, you can use the products on your hair just in the adult version. Please subscribe if you're not already, and let's get in with the video. So I'm going to be using products from Shea Moisture. Shea Moisture has a kids line, in case you didn't know that. The first product that I'm going to be showing you guys today is the 2-in-1 Curl and Shine shampoo and conditioner. It has coconut and hibiscus in all of their products. So basically it defines the curls. This is really good if you have thick hair, curly hair. My daughter's hair type is 4A, so I already pre-pulled my daughter's hair, and I did that with the Kids Extra Moisturizing Detangler with Simply and Marshmallow Extracts. And so this also has coconut and hibiscus in it as well. And you want to always pre-pull the hair prior to washing the hair, because it's not good to go into washing hair when it's all tangled up. So I always pre-pull my daughter's hair, detangle it, and then I go into washing it. So as I wash her hair, the first wash is never really soapy. So I always wash her hair at least 1 to 2 times. And so when I'm washing the hair, basically I go in, I scrub, I use the tips of my fingers instead of using my nails. So I don't dig into her scalp and all of that and cause irritation there. And so I repeat the same method at least 2 times, 3 times, and then I go in on the last wash and I add in the Mango and Carrot Kids Extra Nourishing Conditioner with Orange Blossom Extracts. So when I go in with this conditioner, I like to massage it into the hair. And once I massage it into the hair, rub it in and all of that, then I take a brush. Now the brush that I'm using is just a regular brush, a weave brush, but there is a specific brush that will help maintain and help with the curl pattern. I can't remember the name of the brush, but if you know what brush I'm talking about, a lot of girls here on YouTube use it in their natural hair care videos. I have yet to find that brush in a local beauty supply store, so I really want to try that brush out. If you know the name of it, please help your girl out and link it down below in the comments or tell me the name. So I use this to detangle her hair, and it doesn't like rip her hair or anything like that. It looks like I'm using like such great force, but I'm really not. But what I can say is I love using this brush. It does help, but if I can get my hands on that other brush, I would love to. Once I'm done detangling her hair and getting that conditioner in to her hair thoroughly, I sometimes let her sit and let the conditioner really melt into her hair. Or what I do is I just comb it out, and then I just go ahead and I rinse her hair out. Once we're done washing, then we're just going to move on to me actually styling the hair and doing the twist out. Alright, now, so I'm about to put you on with this product right here. The Coconut and Hibiscus Kids Curling Buttercream does its business. When I tell you it takes the hair to a whole nother level, it really just takes those curls there. Like, I can't even explain it. Like, I'm gonna have to just let you watch. But what I like to do is I like to section her hair off in a big section, and then I do smaller sections. I will either put some water spray on, or I'll go in with the detangler again from the Shea Moisture line, and then I'll add this cream on top and really smooth it through the hair. And some people go in with a gel. I have not put gel in my daughter's hair, and the only reason why I haven't put gel in her hair yet is because I'm not really ready to start putting gel in her hair and making her hair harder. Yes, it may make her curls last a little bit longer, but I haven't made it to that step yet because this cream is so good that I don't even need to add gel. That's how good the cream is. So it really helps that curl in the twist where you don't even need to add gel to the twist out. Now, I use the rubber band method. So what I do is I wrap the rubber band around the roots of her hair, and then I gradually go down and I twist really tight and pull at the same time. This makes the twist lock in and it doesn't unravel, which is what I love to do. And then I go in and I may rub just a little bit more cream on the parameter of the twist, so that when it is all finished, then like it's just a little bit more nourishing and more moisture to the hair. So I'm going to repeat this method and I'm going to let you guys watch how I do it. As I said, it's just the same thing. I'm going to be repeating and I'm just going to let you watch so you can see. It does not matter how big or small you part the twist or part the sections. I normally do like smaller on the outside and then I do bigger sections towards the middle. It all really depends on how I feel when I'm doing the twist. But when you're parting those sections, just be mindful of how you part them, because if you do unravel the hair, you want to make sure like those curls are really defined once you do take the twist out. But like I said, I'm just going to let you guys watch, and yeah, if you have any questions at this point, start putting them in the comment section down below. Any hair products that you use, let me know that I can try them out. But this is what it looks like. So we have 4 twists in the back of her head and they're all sectioned pretty evenly. And then I'm just going to go in and finish the rest of her hair. We have made it to the top of the head and we're just finishing up that last twist. As you see, her hair is nice and nourished and the twists are looking good and her hair looks super healthy and nice and clean. And this is how you really want the twist to look in the end. So of course it's going to dry overnight, but look at that bounce. I'm going to put a bonnet over her head just to protect her hair and to prevent them from unraveling and so her hair doesn't dry out. That's pretty it for this video. If you like it, give it a huge thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, please let me know in the comment section down below. I'll be sure to have all the information on the products that I used today. Love you guys. Bye-bye.